Hi my favorite kids, welcome back to Wednesday's online classes. Today is 21st October 2020. This is your EVS period. My name is Nisi and I hope that you all are doing fine and well and you all are staying healthy and safe at your home. So as you know that we have already completed our chapter number 12 air. Air के बारे में हमने सब complete कर लिया है. So what we are going to do today is we are not going to start any new chapter. We are going to do a short recap of the previous 3 chapters that we have done. कौन से? Chapter number 9, food for health, right? Chapter number 11, keeping safe and healthy. And chapter number 12, air. So what we will be doing from today onwards is we will be doing a short revision of all the question answers of all the topics that we have already done, but in a simpler way, in a short way. So I will be asking you questions. I know that you cannot answer me, right? So what you will be doing is, when I will ask you a question, try to speak or try to give answer at the same time. Just try to answer me back and listen to the answer which I say to you, which I reply back, and try to see if you are saying the correct answer or not. मतलब कि मैं आपको क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगी, इसमें उसी का आंसर मैं खुद ही दूंगी, बट ट्राई करना कि आप खुद भी आंसर बोले और आपके आंसर्स मैच हो रहे कि नहीं वो चेक करने के लिए. सो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विथ चैप्टर नंबर 9, फूड फॉर हेल्थ. नाउ चैप्टर नंबर 9 में कौन से टॉपिक्स थे? सोर्सेज ऑफ फूड, then good food habits, healthy foods, meals in a day. तो ये सब हमने किया था. So we are going to do a short revision of it. Now what are sources of food? Sources of food. Sources मतलब क्या होता है? The food that we get from different places, right? कई और जगह से मिलते हैं, from different people, from different persons, from different things. हमको दूसरी जगह से मिलता है, उसको sources बोलते हैं. So how many types of sources are there? There are 2 types of sources. One is plants and the another one is animals. Now, what type of food do we get from plants? We get fruits, vegetables, pulses, cereals, spices, oil. ये सब हमें किससे मिलता है? Plant से. Now, what do you get from animals? We get milk, egg, meat, fish. We get all these things from animals. Now what are the milk products? Milk products means milk से बनी हुई चीजें. तो कौन सी है? Like पनीर, बटर मिल्क, घी, ये सब किससे बना होता है? चीज सब मिल्क से बना होता है. So these are the products of milk. Now what do you get from meat? Meat में किस से मिलता है? Like from fish, from goat, from sheep, from buffalo, ये सब में से हमें मीट मिलता है, right? They are also very healthy foods. अरे healthy foods है. Now what are healthy foods? The food that keeps us strong and fit. Means ऐसा खाना खाने से जो हमें शक्ति और ताकतवर बनाते हैं उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Healthy foods. You should always eat healthy foods. Now how many types of meals are there in a day? कितने टाइप के meals होते हैं? There are 3 meals that we have in a day. 3 बार हम meals लेते हैं. So there are 3 meals that we have in a day. What kind of food do you have in morning? You eat breakfast in the morning. Now what do you eat at afternoon? You eat lunch in the afternoon. What do you eat at night? Before sleeping you eat dinner at night, right? So ये सारे points same. Now good food habits. What were the good food habits? That always wash your hands before eating and after eating. Always wash your mouth. Always eat clean food, fresh food. Then always eat covered foods. Uncovered foods नहीं खाने चाहिए. Then do not overeat. बहुत सारा खाना नहीं खाना चाहिए. You should eat right amount of food. And then before eating fruits or vegetables or before cooking, you should always wash them. Do not eat unhealthy foods, junk food, which is full of sugary products like Coke, like fizzy drinks. You should not drink and eat those kind of foods. They are bad. Always brush your teeth before sleeping and after you wake up. You should brush your teeth twice a day. So these were the points of food for health के लिए ये सारे products सारे topics हमने cover किए थे. Okay, now chapter number 11. Now what was in chapter number 11? Keeping safe and healthy. There were 5 safety rules that we have learned, right? Now before starting, what are safety rules? Safety rules क्या होते हैं? So safety rules are the rules that we should follow to keep ourselves safe from danger and injury. Means अपने आप को बचाने के लिए कुछ rules बनाए जाते हैं. किसके लिए? ताकि हमें कभी चोट ना लगे और किसी खतरे में ना आए. There were 5 safety rules. Safety rules at number 1 was home, then at school, then at school bus, then what else? Safety on the road and safety near water. ये सारे safety rule के बारे में हमने सीखा था. Then we have also learnt about keeping clean, rest and sleep के बारे में, keeping fit. These were all the points of safety rules. So let me ask you a question about it. That what should you do if you get hurt? अगर आपको चोट लग जाए तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए? That what will be the answer for it? You should always tell your elders or your parent or someone older than you. You should always ask for help. आपको कभी चोट लग जाए तो आपको चुप नहीं रहना चाहिए. You should always ask for help as to what should I do that I'm hurt. So always go to your elder people, your parents, your brother, sister who is nearby you. Second question, what is zebra crossing? Zebra crossing क्या होता है? Then it is a wide road, a wide area of on the road which is painted with white strips से बनी हुई होता है. What is it used for? किस लिए बना? It is used to what? Cross the road. Road cross करने के लिए use होता है. It is called a zebra crossing. Now why should we keep ourselves clean? हमें अपने आप को साफ क्यों रखना चाहिए? Then you should keep yourself clean to feel fresh and healthy. एकदम fresh, ताज़ा और अच्छा healthy feel करने के लिए you should always be clean. Now what were the safety rules at home? Home पे क्या क्या थे? Do not throw your things, your toys here and there. Keep them at their proper places. Do not play with fire. Then do not play with knives or sharp things. Now what kind of safety rules should you follow at school? School में कौन से? Do not climb on stairs. Do not run on stairs. Do not climb on top of tables and chairs. Right? Do not play on them. Do not push or pull your friends. Then what are the safety rules at school bus? That you should not put your head, your hand or any body part outside the window because trees or lamp posts, they may come and hit you and you may get hurt. Then always walk in a queue. Queue means line में चलना चाहिए. Always sit down when you get a seat. Seat मिलने पर हमेशा आपको बैठ जाना चाहिए. Do not keep your things down. Always keep your things at your lap or in a proper place. Why? Because someone may trip and fall. Now what are the safety rules on road that you should follow? That always use zebra crossing. Do not play on the road. हमें नहीं खेलना चाहिए, right? Then always look at the traffic signal. Now traffic signal में कितने colors होते हैं? 3 colors, red, yellow and green. Now red का मतलब stop. फिर yellow का मतलब wait करो अभी, and the green color tells us, shows us to go. So you should always look at the traffic signal while driving or while you are crossing the road. The last safety rule was safety near water. That you should not go near the water or inside the water if there are no adults present here and there. आपके आजू बाजू और near you. If there are no adults, कोई भी बड़ा नहीं है तो अकेले पानी में नहीं जाना चाहिए, पानी के पास भी नहीं जाना चाहिए. Then do not go into the deep end of the swimming pool. अगर आपको तैरना है, if you want to swim, तो बहुत ही गहरे पानी में नहीं जाना चाहिए. Always go टू दी शैलो एंड, मीन्स जहाँ पे आपकी चेस्ट बाहर रहे पानी से उतना तक ही जाना चाहिए. देन इफ यू आर अ लर्नर और अ बिगिनर, मीन्स जब आप अगर पहली बार सीख रहे होते हो, दैट यू शुड ऑलवेज यूज अ आर्म बैंड्स और अ स्विमिंग ट्यूब टू स्विम. हमेशा सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशंस लेने चाहिए. ओके, नाउ व्हाट एल्स हैव वी लर्नड? कीपिंग क्लीन. Keeping clean means cleanliness रखना. Now what is cleanliness? So being clean and free from dirt is called cleanliness. Means ताज़ा बिना गंदगी से बचे रहने को cleanliness बोलते हैं. So what are the basic rules for cleanliness? A basic rule to keep yourself clean: always bath every day, wash your hair or head every day, use soap, brush your teeth twice, wear good clothes, then trim your nails short, then cut your hair, and you should always keep short hair, always wear clean clothes, ironed clothes. ये सब चीज़ें आपको हमेशा सीखनी चाहिए. How should we keep ourselves fit? Fit कैसे रखना चाहिए? Always try to walk around, jump, run, प्ले, एक्सरसाइज, ये सब करने से आप फिट रहोगे. आपको पूरे टाइम खा के बैठना या सोना नहीं चाहिए. यू शुड ऑलवेज डू सम एक्टिविटीज. फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज इज अ मस्ट टू कीप योरसेल्फ fit. Then at the last we learnt about rest and sleep. So we learnt an important factor, that sleeping is also a very good part in helping our body to rest and to keep it fit. तो सोना भी उतना ही ज़रूरी है जितना खाना खाना, एक्सरसाइज करना, दौड़ना, खेलना, सब से आपको बॉडी नीड्स रेस्ट. सो यू शुड स्लीप ऑन टाइम. You should at least sleep for 8 hours a day. Means रात को 8 hours की नींद तो ज़रूरी होता है. So these were the main topics of chapter number 11, keeping safe and healthy. Now the last chapter is chapter number 12, air, हवा के बारे में. So we already discussed what is air. Air क्या होती है? हवा होती है. Where can you find air? तो we are surrounded by air. Air is around us every time. We learnt about 3 properties of air, right? 3 गुण के बारे में सीखा. क्या क्या है? Air has no color, no taste and no smell. कि एयर के पास ये सब चीज़ें नहीं है, इसलिए हम ये सब नहीं कर सकते. Now air fills up space and gives shapes to things. Means air किसी चीज़ के अंदर जाती तो हवा लेती है, हवा भरती है और न्यू शेप देती है. And the third is air has weight. एयर के पास वजन है. Now what is weight? The heaviness of an object is called weight. इस सबको हम क्या बोलते हैं? weight बोलते हैं. Now we learnt about 4 uses of air. air कैसे काम आता है? The most important uses are that we need air to breathe. Now how do we breathe? We breathe through our nose. How do animals breathe? They also breathe through their nose. Now how do fish breathe? Fish breathes through its gills. 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 They breathe through their gills. Now how do plants breathe? Plants कैसे breathe करते हैं? Now plants breathe through leaves. Leaves में से वो लोग breathe करते हैं. Now how do earthworm जो होते हैं, they are land creatures, small creatures. So how do they breathe? They breathe through their skin. Now can you feel air? Yes, we can feel air. We cannot see them, we cannot touch them, we can only feel them. हम सिर्फ feel कर सकते हैं. Now we learnt about 3 types of air: wind, storm and breeze. Wind means moving air is called wind. Now how does it help us? It helps to dry our clothes, helps to move a sailboat from one place to another, helps to rotate a pinwheel or a windmill. Then what else? It also helps us in there was also one more point of uses of air. We can play instruments, musical instruments like flute, trumpet, right? We can do all these things from air. Then air also helps to keep fire burning. आग को जलते रहने के लिए भी काम आता है. तो विंड में windmill, pinwheel, boat, then kite. These all are used. These all are the things that in which we need air like wind. Now, what is the difference between wind, storm, and breeze? Wind का मतलब moving air is called wind. Now, what is storm? Storm means a heavy फ्लो और ब्लो ऑफ एयर. हैवी फ्लो ऑफ एयर मीन्स बहुत हवा जोर से तेज चल रही थी, उसको स्टॉर्म बोलते हैं. जिसमें बिजली, लाइटनिंग, थंडर, हैवी रेन, दिस ऑल कम्स अंडर द कैटेगरी ऑफ स्टॉर्म. व्हाट इज ब्रीज? ब्रीज मीन्स स्मॉल लाइट वेव ऑफ विंड और ऑफ एयर. जो हल्की हवा चल रही होती है उसको हम ब्रीज बोलते हैं. नाउ इन ब्रीज इट इज अ प्लेजेंट वेदर मीन्स इट इज वेरी नाइस वेदर. And at storm, at a stormy weather, it is unpleasant means अच्छा नहीं होता, बहुत तूफान होता है, right? So these are the things that come under wind. Now what kind of questions? How do we know that wind is moving? हमको कैसे पता चलेगा जब विंड विंड हमारे आजू बाजू है तो मूव कर रहा है? You can see when the clothes are moving or when the leaves on the tree are moving, right? ये सब अगर कुछ उड़ रहा होता है उसको देख के हमें पता चलता है कि विंड चल रही है. So these were all the main points of the 3 chapters that we have completed. I hope that you all remember them. Try to learn the short questions and the long question answers and also the textual या तो worksheet के question answers. सिर्फ learn नहीं करना, लिखने की practice भी करना है. Your vacations, right? You have to do it because after the vacation starts, we are going to start a new chapter as well, which is similarly related to chapter number 12, air के साथ. तो हमें ये सब भी करने के बाद then you are going to have your PA2 exam. So उसके लिए भी आपको prepare रहना पड़ेगा. So this is it for today. I will meet you next day. Everyone, please take care. Go through the chapters and hope that you may find it more interesting this time and you may be able to answer each and every questions. So thank you everyone. I'll meet you next day. Take care. Bye.